What's up, baby? We're going to Scotland. We got Shang's 240 SX, man. We got Johnny's S14. Trevor's fucking IS3 Hondo. Man, we're gonna fuck shit up, bro.
So, as one way to introduce the video. So, as you can tell, we're all locked and loaded. And from the title of this video, you can probably guess that we're heading to Dorifest. Nearly roll off the van, hey, that video. Looks good though. Hey, music man, I am monetized.
We are lit, baby. Dawson's still in Waterford. I don't know what's going on. He didn't get out of second gear in the events as yet. We pulled in there for about a half an hour and Dawson finally caught up there. We're after losing him again now.
We didn't even get out of the station.
Come on, boy, will ya?
Hey guys. Hey guys. So we are about 2 hours into our trip. We are at another toll bridge. Ireland likes tolls. But we just got a notification that our ferry's after been bumped forward an hour and a half. So just as well we left on time, or else this would be very, very bad. So luckily enough, we actually left on time for once, and it's not going to be as bad. The only problem is we're going to get in way too early. It's going to be like, what, 4 o'clock in the morning when we get in. So we pain the hole, but look, it is what it is. So hopefully we might get out for the morning practice even, if there's any spots available. So we'll take you on the rest of the trip, sure. So we have arrived. We are at check-in. Chad is barely awake. Keen is...
I'm ready to rock, boy.
Keen's not too bad. I'm actually shattered myself. So I think we're just waiting on the gates to open, and yeah, so I'm bollocks. I'm not really sure how this is going to pan out. So I think we arrive at like 4 in the morning, and then we have to drive to the track. So we get to the track about, what, 7 o'clock in the morning,
Yeah.
with no sleep, and then briefing starts at like 11 or something. We'll just see how that goes. Even Connor screeching out.
So excited. Come on, give her a blip champ. Go on. Walk. Walk here. Somebody's on the hydro already in the ferry, boys.
Oh, he's so tight. Well, I tell you, he better tie down this trailer good and tight. That's the trout.
Next up, Bosnia.
It's just now 4 o'clock in the morning.
We've just touched down in Scotland.
Oh man.
I know one but two. Can we drift a car?
Right, well, apparently I slept in here. I don't remember sleeping, but
Oh, you slept.
I thought I was in a movie.
He rocked this whole ship. I actually think we're gonna have to pay for a new window.
I didn't notice it. Anyway, Connor definitely slept because there's just dribbled the length ship on the side he was at.
And we are all going to send in a formal complaint into Stenline on how loud the cinema room is, because we all know how the new Sonic film ends. Holy shit.
Oh god, so anyway, we've like a 3-hour journey to where we need to be. I'd say we're probably just going to push for it, because I couldn't be bothered stopping now, to be honest. But same thing, I don't know. We just, yeah, let's... Looks lovely. Loch Ness Monster now live there in the water.
I see them. They're not fucking tired no more.
Ah, fuck them guys. We have finally arrived at Driftland, which took forever. It felt like it was forever anyway, but we made it.
I can't wait to skip my car.
I'm about to put my name in for morning practice.
Are you?
Yeah, I don't give a fuck. What?
Fuck you, where's my one?
Are you gonna do it?
Obviously.
Yes! Here we are, boys, at Driftland.
Is there space for it?
We'll find out.
Class. So the lads are just heading out now. Brilliant weather, burn off a few set of tyres, start of the weekend. Let's see how we get on. The boys are lit. Boost pipe popped off in the first practice session there, so Sham welded a quick bead around it there and ready to rock again. So see how we get on this time. lads are going so hard out there. Sham just got black flagged here now, so we'll call over, see what that's about. But old Trevi and Johnny there, boy, shredding away. So Sham didn't actually get black flag, it was Dawson, because he's like 1 decibel over the limit when he's banging limiter. Sham's car just got hot, so we whipped off the bonnet there now, and he's going back out here straight away, so let's see how he gets on now.